fat and build muscle, these high-protein grilled cheese burritos have over 60 grams of protein each and are a much healthier alternative compared to fast food versions that are perfect for meal prep. Start by cooking up some onions and some extra lean beef, garlic, the seasonings which will be listed on screen or in the caption below, followed by a can of crushed tomatoes, some light grated cheddar cheese, and just enough chicken broth to cover the mince. Mix it together on a lower heat until it's well combined, then add some cilantro and Spanish-style minute rice, or your choice of rice, and place a lid on top for approximately 20 minutes, making sure to mix it every few minutes in between. Now grab 6 warm tortillas, evenly distribute the filling across each one with some nacho cheese sauce, roll them tightly to the best of your abilities, place some more cheese on a pan with the burrito on top to seal it until it's golden brown and crispy. Repeat the process for the other. Eating bland and boring chicken, and instead make this easy and delicious crispy honey butter garlic chicken that's high in protein and perfect for meal prep. Start by grabbing a diced chicken breast, add some soy sauce, white and black pepper, garlic, ginger, then mix it together. Now in a bowl add potato starch, coat each piece of chicken evenly, spray with light cooking oil, then air fry or oven bake until golden brown and crispy. And for the sauce, to a pan on low heat add light butter, diced garlic, then add soy sauce and water with some brown sugar stevia, red chili flakes, and cornstarch mixed with water to help it thicken. Now add your choice of honey and mix well until the sauce is thick and sweet just like you. Add the crispy chicken back in and then divide it into 4 equal servings with rice or your choice of sides. Just an easy, high protein. Then divide into 4 equal.
This magical, creamy but light pasta. If you roast tomatoes and ricotta in the oven, then mix in some garlic and cook pasta. Serve it with a basil and parmesan infused oil on top, sort of like a pesto but simpler, and enjoy. I hope you try this one. It's so easy and so good.